Okay, now it's time to create our video squeeze page. Now what I did was I grabbed the template that I supplied to you, I made a copy of it, and I brought it into my working folder. Don't change the one I gave you because you may want to make more copies of that. So here's all that's in it. Now of course before we can do anything we're going to need to upload our video so that we can reference it inside of our squeeze page. So let's just upload it to YouTube. Go to youtube.com. Okay, and if you don't have a YouTube account, go ahead and create one. Otherwise, sign in and upload your video. Okay, so let's just click upload here. Okay, now what you want to do, just click on upload video. Okay, then go and find it here. Okay, it's the WMV here. Okay, so it starts to upload it. Now give it a title and a description here. Okay, so I put in a compelling title and description. Now, of course, this isn't going to show on our video squeeze page, but remember, people can find this from YouTube. So what you want to do is after this, put in where you're going to upload your squeeze page, wherever that is, if you know it yet. You can always come back and edit this. Okay, and then tags. Okay, now you're going to want this public, and that's really all we need there. So let's save these options. Okay, and here is our video. So if we click on that, here it is on YouTube. Okay, now what we're after now is the embed code. Here where it says embed, click on that, grab this code. Now open up a notepad session, okay, paste this in here so that we have it handy, and there we go. Alright, now it's time to set up our squeeze page. Let's open Composer. If you don't have a web editor that you like to use, you can get a free one called Composer, K-O-M-P-O-Z-E-R. Just look it up on Google and download it. Okay, I'm going to open our squeeze page that I've just made a copy of, the template. Okay, here it is. Now, right here where it says embed video code here, highlight that and delete it. Now go up here where it says insert HTML and paste the code in there. And then over here, this is where you're going to put in your opt-in form. So you need to go into your autoresponder and grab your autoresponder code that goes in there. I'm not going to show you how to do that. Whatever autoresponder you have, you'll be able to design a form and you can just stick that code in there. Okay, now you want to put in your headline and your sub-headline up here. Okay, and then here we'll say get the first lesson free or something like that. Okay, let's alright, tighten that up. Okay, and if you have any more text to put, you can put it down here. I'm not going to bother. And you could put your company name in here if you want. Okay, so the only thing I got left to do is put in my embed code in here. So you'd set that up in your autoresponder, and you'd want to direct them to a page that tells them that they need to opt in order to get the free chapter. Okay, now let's open this up. There's our video. Okay, so let's play it. Okay, now we're just making sure that it gets to the arrow at the end and it's pointing over there when we're done. There we go. And there we are. Okay, so once we have the opt-in code in here, we just got to upload this and we're all ready to go. Okay, so I have my web code, or my web form code. So again, I'll delete that, then I'll insert my HTML, paste that in here, and now we'll save. Now let's go refresh our site here. Okay, so there it is. Alright, now the last thing we need to do, let's go back to Composer, and we need to go to Format and Page Title and Properties. You see I put a video squeeze page title in here, video squeeze page description. So change those. These are your meta tags. So change those to match what your squeeze page is about. Okay. Save. Now, remember we have to give credit to that royalty-free music. So let's go back to this site. And we want to give a link here. So let's copy his link and put it on our squeeze page. Normally you don't like leaks very much, but we're going to put that in here. Let's put it underneath here. Let's insert HTML. Paste that in there. Insert. Now, let's just shrink this down. There we go. Save. Now let's go back and refresh our page here. Okay, there's the link back to their site. And our squeeze page is now complete. Now we just need to upload it, and it's all set to start making us some money. So that's it. Now you have everything you need to create your own video squeeze pages.